Okay, so another topic again that we're going to discuss for today. So rational algebraic expression. What is rational algebraic expression? Okay, so bago tayo mag-proceed sa kanyang definition, what is all about the rational numbers? Okay, so rational number is a number that can be expressed as a ratio of two integers with the denominator not equal to zero. In symbol, rational number is any number of the form P over Q where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to zero. Okay, so when we say rational numbers, ito po ay isang ratio ng two integers where the denominator is not equal to zero. Okay? So kapag rational number, yan po ay ratio ng two integers. Okay? Like for example, 1 over 3 is a ratio of integers 1 and 3. Okay? So yan ay isang rational number. Next, 4 over 7 is a ratio of integers 4 and 7. Yan ay isang rational number. Okay? 4 over 27 is a ratio of two integers 4 and 27. Okay, so yan yung mga halimbawa ng rational numbers. So what is rational expression? Rational expression or rational algebraic expression is a ratio of two polynomials with the denominator not equal to zero. It is an expression that can be expressed P over Q, where P and Q are polynomials and Q is not equal to zero. Okay, so when we say rational expression or rational algebraic expression, this is the ratio of two polynomials where the denominator is not equal to zero. Okay? Bakit hindi siya dapat hindi equal to zero? Kasi kapag nag-equal to zero ang ating denominator, magiging undefined. Ibig sabihin nun, we cannot find the possible solution for our domain. Kaya sinasabi diyan na ang rational expression ay ang denominator dapat ay hindi mag-equals to zero. Okay, take note. Two polynomials. Yung rational number kanina, two integers. Okay, like for example, we have 4x over 9 is a rational expression because it is a ratio of two monomials, 4x and 9. Next, 4 minus 3, 9 over 4 is a rational expression because m minus 3n and 4 are polynomials. Okay, so yan yung example ng ating rational expression. Okay? What is domain? Okay, so when we say domain, it is the set of all possible values of the variable that are allowed. Ibig sabihin ng domain natin, yan yung set of possible values natin para sa ating variable. Okay? And when we say excluded value or restricted values can make a trinomial expression undefined. Okay, so anong ibig niyong sabihin? Yung excluded value natin or yung restricted value, yaan yung value na hindi dapat natin or hindi dapat natin gagamitin or isa-substitute sa ating variable kasi nag-equals to zero ang kanyang denominator. Okay? So, yan yung ibig sabihin ng excluded value natin. Okay? When we say excluded value, these are the value of variable that cannot be substitute. Why? Because it makes the denominator equal to zero. Okay? So, polynomial if. Okay, so how to determine if it is a rational algebraic expression or not. Okay? So, rational algebraic expression is also a polynomials because we are talking about the certain variable and the numerical coefficient or the numerical numbers. Okay? So when we say polynomials, we can only say that it is a polynomial and a rational algebraic expression if and only if no negative exponent. Okay? So, no negative exponent, nasasabi lang natin siya na polynomial kapag wala siyang negative exponent. Okay? And then next, no fractional exponent. Okay? So, dapat walang fraction na exponent sa ating given term or sa ating given na expression. Okay? Next, no radical sign of variable. Okay, so dapat hindi naka-radical sign yung ating variable. Wala dapat radical signs sa loob ng wala dapat variable sa ating radicand. Okay? Ayan. Gaya dito, x, radical sign, and then x. Okay? So, hindi pwede na merong dapat variable sa ating radicand. Okay? Pero kung yung number lang yung may radicand, okay lang. Basta wag lang kasama yung variable. Okay? And then last is no variable in denominator. Okay? So like for example, 1 plus 3 over 1 plus 1 over x. Okay? So ang sinasabing no variable in denominator ay ito. No variable. Wala dapat variable dito sa ating denominator. Okay? So yan yung mga dapat nating tandaan para ma-determine natin or ma-identify natin kung siya ba ay isang rational algebraic expression or not. Okay? So, let's proceed in example. Okay? So, example of rational algebraic expression, y plus 2 over y minus 2. Okay? So, yan ay isang rational algebraic expression kasi wala namang radical sign, wala namang variable sa denominator, wala din namang negative exponent at fractional exponent. Okay? Next, example number 2, x over x squared minus 25. Okay, so yan ay isang rational algebraic expression. Okay, or isang rational expression. Next, example number 3, we have 3x plus 9 over x squared minus 4x plus 3 ay isang rational algebraic expression. Kasi wala siyang negative exponent, walang fractional na exponent, walang radical sign, and walang variable na denominator. Okay? And then next, x squared plus 4x plus 4 over x squared minus 5x plus 6 is also a rational algebraic expression. Okay? Kasi wala naman siyang negative exponent, wala siyang fractional exponent, walang radical sign, at walang denominator na variable. Okay? Next, let's proceed to not rational algebraic expression or hindi siya rational algebraic expression. Okay? So, number 1, y plus 2 over 0. Okay, so hindi natin matatawag na isang rational algebraic expression kung 0 yung kanyang denominator. Bakit? Kasi magiging undefined yung ating domain. Okay, next example number 2, 2 over n minus n. Okay, so hindi na naman siya rational algebraic expression. Bakit? Kasi pareho silang n, kapag isusubtract mo yan, it becomes 0 again. Okay, so since 0 yung magiging denominator natin dito, so magiging undefined. Okay, next example number 3, 2 minus square root of x over 4 minus x. Okay, so dito meron tayong radical sign. Nasa loob niya or radicand niya si x, si variable x natin. Di ba? Ano ba yung rule kanina? No variable in the radical sign. Okay, so wala dapat variable sa atin. Variable sa ating radicand. Okay, so dito meron tayong radical sign. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, hindi yan rational algebraic expression. Next, 1 minus x over 1 plus 1 over x. Ayan, meron tayong denominator na variable. Okay, so hindi na naman siya rational algebraic expression. Next, x raised to negative 2 plus x minus 6 over x raised to 1 over 3 plus 7. Okay, so hindi na naman siya rational algebraic expression kasi negative exponent and fractional exponent. Okay? So next, let's evaluate each rational expression at the given value of its variable. Okay, so i-evaluate natin yung ating rational expression kung saan given yung mga value ng variable natin. Okay, so example number 1, 4x minus 3 over 2x plus 1 where x equals to 7. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do here is we're going to substitute all the value of x equals to 7. Okay, so sasubstitute lang natin ng 7 lahat ng variable x natin. So 4 times 7 kasi meron tayong x. Okay? And then 2 times 7. Okay? So 4 times 7 is equals to 28. Minus 3, the answer is 25. 2 times 7, the answer is 14. Plus 1, the answer is 15. Okay? Since 25 over 15 is divisible by 5, therefore we can simplify that one. Okay? So 25 divided by 5, the answer is 5. And 15 divided by 5, the answer is 3. Okay, so our answer here is 5 over 3. Next, example number 2, 2a squared minus 3a plus 1 over 2a minus 5, where a equals to 3. Okay, So let's substitute all the values of A equals to 3. Okay? So 2 quantity 3 square minus 3 times 3 plus 1 over 2 times 3 minus 5. Okay? So ang gagawin muna natin, simplify muna yung exponent. Okay? So it become 3 square, the answer is 9. Minus 3 times 3, the answer is 9 plus 1 over 2 times 3, the answer is 6 minus 5. And then next, multiply natin 2 times 9, the answer is 18 minus 9 plus 1 over 6 minus 5. Okay? Next, we're going to add and subtract the numerator and the denominator. Okay, so 18 minus 9, the answer is 9. Plus 1, the answer is 10. Okay, 6 minus 5, the answer is 1. Okay, so 10 over 1, the answer is 10. Okay, so our answer here is equals to 10, not 10 over 1. Okay, so ang sagot dito ay 10, hindi po 10 over 1. Okay, next, example number 3, 2y plus 7 over quantity y minus 4 times quantity y minus 2, where y equals to 4. Okay, so again, isa-substitute lang natin lahat ng y natin. Papalitan lang natin ng 4. Okay? So, 2 times 4 plus 7 over quantity 4 minus 4 times quantity 4 minus 2. Okay? So, multiply natin and then subtract yung nasa parenthesis. Okay? So, we have 2 times 4. The answer is 8 plus 7 over 4 minus 4. The answer is 0. 4 minus 2. The answer is 2. 8 plus 7, the answer is 15. And 0 times 2, the answer is 0. Since our denominator is 0, therefore, it become undefined. Okay? So, nagiging undefined yung ating example number 3. Bakit? Kasi yung denominator ay 0. Ibig sabihin nun, hindi natin pwedeng i-substitute itong value ng y equals to 4 kasi magbibigay siya sa atin ng 0 na denominator. Okay? So, note, in definition of rational algebraic expression, the denominator should not be equal to 0. Okay? So, dapat ang denominator natin ay hindi mag-equals to 0. Okay?